how to change the default browser and the default mail app in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. To change the default browser and the mail app, you'll need to head over to settings and then scroll down to the bottom, go to apps, and then on the search bar, search for Safari. This is to change the default browser. So uh, you'll find search engine, tap on it, and from here you can choose from various search engines to set as a default browser. Currently I have set it to Google. You can change it to Yahoo, Bing, or any one of your choice. And then now to change the default mail, search for mail app, tap on it, and then you'll see default mail app. Just tap on it, and then here too, you can choose the default mail app by just clicking on it. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.